Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting topic, life in the USA. We'll explore everything from travel and education to food and holidays. So, let's get started on this fascinating journey. Traveling in the USA. People in the USA love to travel. They visit different states and countries, and they have many ways to get around. They travel by car, plane, and train. Each mode of transportation offers a unique experience. For example, road trips by car are very popular, allowing travelers to see the beautiful landscapes and small towns along the way. Air travel, on the other hand, is the fastest way to cover long distances. Train travel is also an excellent option, offering scenic routes that showcase the country's natural beauty. Have you ever traveled by plane? Let us know your experience in the comments. Religion in the USA. The USA is home to many religions. People are free to practice their faith, and this diversity is reflected in the many churches, mosques, temples, and synagogues found across the country. This freedom of religion is a fundamental right in the USA. Can you name a famous church or temple in the USA? One example is the National Cathedral in Washington, D.C., which is not only a place of worship, but also a national treasure. The diversity of religious practices in the USA is a testament to its inclusive and multicultural society. Education system. Children in the USA go to school from a very young age. They start in kindergarten, usually at age 5, and then move on to elementary school, middle school, and high school. Education is highly valued, and schools aim to provide a well-rounded education that includes subjects like math, science, English, and social studies. Schools also offer extracurricular activities such as sports, music, and drama. Many schools have advanced placement programs and extracurricular clubs to help students explore their interests and talents. What subjects do you find most interesting? Share with us. Meals and food. People in the USA typically eat 3 main meals a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast might include foods like cereal, eggs, and toast, while lunch could be a sandwich or salad. Dinner is usually the main meal of the day and might include dishes like pasta, meat, or fish. Snacks are also very popular, and you'll find people enjoying things like chips, cookies, and fruit throughout the day. American cuisine is very diverse, reflecting the many cultures that make up the country. Regional specialties like Southern barbecue, New England clam chowder, and Tex-Mex dishes add to the rich culinary tapestry. Do you have a favorite American food? Maybe a juicy hamburger or a slice of pepperoni pizza. Celebrations and holidays. Americans love to celebrate. Birthdays are often marked with parties, complete with cakes, presents, and games. But there are also many national holidays that bring people together. For example, Thanksgiving is a time when families gather to enjoy a big meal, which usually includes turkey, stuffing, and pumpkin pie. Another major holiday is the 4th of July, which celebrates American independence with fireworks, parades, and barbecues. There are also unique celebrations like Halloween, where children dress up in costumes and go trick-or-treating. What's your favorite holiday, and how do you celebrate it? Big cities and landmarks. The USA has many big cities, each with its own unique character. New York City is known for its skyscrapers and is home to the famous Statue of Liberty. Los Angeles is famous for Hollywood and its film industry, while Chicago is renowned for its stunning architecture and deep dish pizza. There are also many natural landmarks, such as the Grand Canyon, which attracts millions of visitors each year. Other iconic landmarks include Mount Rushmore, the Golden Gate Bridge, and the Las Vegas Strip. Have you ever visited any of these cities or landmarks? If so, tell us about your experience. Seasons and weather. The USA experiences 4 distinct seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. Each season brings different weather and activities. In spring, flowers bloom, and the weather starts to warm up. Summer is hot and perfect for going to the beach or having barbecues. Fall is known for its beautiful foliage as leaves change color, and winter brings snow in many parts of the country, making it ideal for skiing and other winter sports. The changing seasons also bring various festivals and events, from springtime fairs to winter holiday markets. Which season do you enjoy the most? Sports and activities. Sports are a significant part of American culture. Football, basketball, and baseball are the most popular sports. Many people enjoy watching games on TV or attending live events. There are also opportunities to play sports at school and in community leagues. Besides these, people also enjoy activities like hiking, swimming, and biking. The country is also home to major sporting events like the Super Bowl, the World Series, and the NBA Finals. What sports or activities do you like to participate in? Technology and innovation. The USA is known for its technological advancements and innovations. Many of the world's leading tech companies like Apple, Google, and Microsoft are based in the USA. People use technology every day, from smartphones and computers to smart home devices and electric cars. How has technology impacted your daily life? Share your thoughts with us. The Silicon Valley region in California is a global hub for technology and innovation, driving advancements that shape the future. Nature and national parks. The USA has many beautiful natural places, including mountains, rivers, and forests. National parks like Yellowstone and Yosemite are famous for their stunning landscapes and wildlife. People enjoy outdoor activities like hiking, camping, and fishing. If you love nature, the USA offers endless opportunities to explore and enjoy the great outdoors. The National Park Service protects these natural treasures, ensuring they remain pristine for future generations to enjoy. Shopping and fashion. Shopping is a popular activity in the USA. There are many malls and stores where people can buy clothes, electronics, toys, and more. Fashion trends change over time, and people enjoy wearing different styles, from casual jeans and t-shirts to more formal attire. Major cities host fashion weeks, showcasing the latest trends from top designers. Online shopping has also become increasingly popular, offering convenience and a wide variety of options. What kind of clothes do you like to wear? Communication and media. People in the USA use many ways to communicate. They talk on the phone, send emails, and use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. These tools help people stay connected with family and friends, no matter where they are. The media landscape is diverse, with numerous TV channels, radio stations, and news outlets providing information and entertainment. How do you stay in touch with your loved ones? Healthcare and well-being. The USA has many hospitals and doctors. People go to the doctor when they are sick, and healthcare is an important aspect of life. There are also many ways to stay healthy, such as eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep. Preventive care and wellness programs are also emphasized to maintain good health. What do you do to stay healthy? Entertainment and leisure. Entertainment is a big part of life in the U.S. People enjoy watching TV, going to movies, and playing video games. There are also many fun things to do, like visiting amusement parks, attending concerts, and going to the theater. The entertainment industry, especially Hollywood, produces films and shows enjoyed worldwide. What do you like to do for fun? Conclusion. The USA is a diverse and exciting place with something for everyone. From its rich cultural heritage to its technological innovations, there's always something new to discover. If you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and share. We love hearing from you, so leave a comment below. See you in the next video.